Pause. Let's get back to it. So last night I went and picked up this 2.5 oil pan, and it does fit. I already checked it, so that's good. I do have to clean it up, but I didn't manage to find like 3 or 4 other pans in the area on a local Facebook group, so that's convenient. So let's clean this pan up and throw it on. Right, the oil pan's on. Now I'm gonna do the water pump. Now this is the old water pump. I normally wouldn't put the old one back on, and I don't recommend it. This one looks brand new. So I'm gonna reuse it. Don't do as I do. Okay, next on the agenda is put these cam or valve caps, whatever they're called, cams, caps, cam gears, back on the head. Sorry to get ahead of myself though. I need to put these covers on before I put the cam gears on. Okay, now I can put the cam gears on. Now that the cam gears are all on and torqued up, time to do the fun part, which is the timer. Yay! Well, almost got it. Usually it takes me a few tries to get it right. See that one? This cam gear moved, so it's not lined up anymore. So did this one. Right, try again. Now I'm gonna turn the engine oval until it gets back to top dead center. Then recheck all my marks. I don't remember off the top of my head how many rotations it takes to get back to top dead center. So I turn the engine over a few times and everything's lining up, looking pretty good. Now all I gotta do is pull this little pin out of the tensioner. And that should add a little bit more tension. She should be good to go. And now that that's done, I'm gonna take a break. Some bubble tea. And balls. Alright, back to work. Next thing on the list is to tighten these tensionals. Put this one back on. Then put the covers back on. Next is the valve covers. And all new gaskets for that. You guys, I'll put those on. Hey, good morning. It's a new day. And I got a lot done yesterday, but still a few little things left to do. But she's starting to look like an engine. It's a little dirty, but most of it you're not going to be able to see anyway. So who cares? Well, some people do. Let's see what's left. Spark plugs, injectors. I'm sorry, not injectors, but coil packs. Names. Things have names. Intake manifold. Exhaust manifold. And my turbo. Still good. And let's see what else. Clutch and flywheel, but I won't do that until I take it off the stand. So, a few things, but most of them are pretty simple. Well, let's get to it. Get to work. Chop chop. Let's go. Well, I'm mostly done. Turbo is a lot easier to put on outside of the car than in the car. Still kind of a bubble to figure out. The only real casualties I found was this wire I gotta fix for the knock sensor, and I showed you the O2 sensor. And shit pile. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw on power steering pump, and I might do the heat shielding. Kind of depends if I can. It look kind of rough, but I'm gonna attempt it. So she is pretty much done for now. Everything else will go on either when it's up on the lift or when it's actually inside the car. Stuff like the alternator and AC, the brackets, and some of the belts and stuff. So that stuff will go on later. Okay, that is a wrap on this engine build video. Hopefully it was somewhat informative. Hopefully it helps you out if you're doing an engine build. The next video, we're going to put that engine in the wagon. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. And check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one. Or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.